Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to set the overlapping of an image in Elementor, right? As you can see right now I am just editing a web page of my website, and here we are going to create a new section. And for creating a section we need to click on plus icon in the middle of the screen, and here it is asking us about the layout, whether we want flexbox or grid. So I am selecting grid over here, and in the structure we are going to select the 1 row and 2 column. Okay, now we are going to add container in both the columns, and for adding container you can move your cursor over the black header line and click on plus add element icon, and here you can simply search for container and then drag and drop this container in the first column. And again I'm going to click on plus icon, and here again I'm going to search for container, and again I'm going to drag and drop this container widget in the second column. Okay, now we are going to add images in both the containers. So either you can add images directly or you can add images in the background, right? So we are going to add images in the background, and for that you can click on edit container button available in the top left corner of the container. Okay, and in the style settings in the left side toolbar you can select background as normal, and in the background type you can select classic, and then choose image and choose any image from media library and click on select. Okay, to show this image properly we need to scroll down, and in the left side toolbar itself in the display size you can select the cover, and in the layout settings you can simply increase the height of this container. Okay, now we are going to add image in the another container in the second column, and for again we need to click on edit container in the top left corner icon above on the particular container, and again we are going to click on add element in the black header line, right? Okay, we need not to add any element, we can simply click on edit container in the second column container and then move to the style setting right in the left side toolbar, and then in the background we have selected normal, and in the background type we are going to select classic, and then again click on choose image, and we can simply select an image from media library and click on select. And now I am going to scroll down in the left side toolbar itself, and in the display size setting we can select cover. Okay, right now for example like we are going to edit a container again, and in the first column we are going to edit this container, and for editing the container we need to click on the top left corner icon over the container, right, the gray box icon. And now in the left side toolbar we can see layout setting, style setting and advanced setting. So we are moving to the advanced setting, and in the margin we are going to dealing the values of top, right, bottom and left. And now I am going to increase the left side margin, right, and as you can see the images are getting overlapped, right? So if this case happens with you, then you can simply move to the advanced setting, and in the advanced setting you can make changes to the margin and padding, whatever you have committed the mistake, right? You can again decrease the left so the image doesn't overlap, right? For example, if you have made any changes to the top and it is overlapping with the above image, then again you can reduce the top to 0, right? So this is how you can fix the overlapping of images in Elementor and WordPress. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And apart from that, if you want to learn digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.